हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू पिजो फिजिक्स। न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स की लास्ट वीडियो में हमने न्यूक्लियर साइज और रेडियस के बारे में पढ़ा था, जिसमें हमने देखा था कि न्यूक्लियंस, प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स आर फाउंड इन द न्यूक्लियस। So as we know, protons are positively charged while neutrons are neutral. अब हम जानते हैं कि पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव चार्ज के बीच में एक कूलम्बिक रिपल्सन होता है। Apart from having this Coulombic repulsion, protons are tightly bound in the nucleus, as we can see. So there should be some greater attractive force between protons and neutrons. Okay, so this attractive force is known as nuclear force. Nuclear force is the one of the four fundamental forces of the nature. This is all about nuclear force. Now let us look into the features of the nuclear forces. अब हम देखते हैं कि न्यूक्लियर फोर्सेस के फीचर्स क्या होते हैं। तो फर्स्ट इज न्यूक्लियर फोर्स इज शॉर्ट रेंज फोर्स. इट मींस न्यूक्लियर फोर्स इज जस्ट वैलिड फॉर distance is less than 1 Fermi. Okay, and second thing is it diminishes for large distances. If we go more than 5 Fermi, then the effect of nuclear force will diminish. Second point can be considered as it is much stronger than EM forces. EM forces are electromagnetic force. Forces in which gamma photon is being produced are known as electromagnetic force. And the strong force, मतलब कि nuclear force को हम strong force भी बोलते हैं, it is stronger than EM force. Third point is charge independent. It means nuclear force between proton, neutron, and neutron is almost same. It means it doesn't depend on the charge of the nucleons. Fourth point can be taken as it is non-central force. It means it does not depend on distance solely. So there are many other parameters on which this nuclear force will depend on. Okay. Fifth point is potential energy versus distance graph, in which we can plot the potential energy versus distance graph. So this is the graph of potential energy versus distance, in which this maximum is at plus 100 and this minimum is at minus 100 and this is around 0. Okay, and minima is at r naught, which is around 1 Fermi. As we can see that near r naught potential energy is minimum, and after that potential energy keeps increasing, and less than 1 Fermi also potential energy is being increased. So this is all about the features of nuclear forces. तो इस वीडियो में different properties of nuclear forces के बारे में पढ़ा. It is charge independent, it is short range force, it is non-central force, it is much stronger than electromagnetic force, and fifth point is potential energy versus distance graph. So this is all about nuclear forces. Stay connected to the channel for further videos.